The Dymension network just airdropped a DYM token to eligible users, and there's speculation that staking this new DYM token will make you eligible for even more airdrops. So because Dymension is a modular blockchain that utilizes rollups, they also use data availability networks such as Celestia, Eigenlayer, or even Near to provide data as needed. So Dymension is a super diverse app with lots of cross-chain compatibility. So there was various criteria to be eligible for this DYM airdrop, and the most popular method was staking the Celestia token. So a snapshot was taken December 19, 2023. This would have automatically made you eligible for the airdrop. Arbitrum and Optimism users were also rewarded, Cosmos stakers, Osmosis stakers, and even Solana holders. So there was a ton of different ways you could have become eligible for this DYM airdrop. So the cool thing is there is no claim process to receive your DYM airdrop. On February the 6th, it was automatically airdropped into your eligible wallet. So I use the Kepler wallet, which is Cosmos' most popular wallet. So at the time of filming, I received roughly 79.2 tokens in total. So the current price of the DYM token is almost $8. So the total value of this airdrop is roughly $630, which is pretty good for a free airdrop. So congrats to everyone who received these free tokens. So like I mentioned, Dymension is a modular blockchain, and in order to deploy its rollups on the front end, it does call upon other blockchains such as Celestia or Eigenlayer to provide data. So it's safe to say by staking this token, you'll be securing the network and opening yourself up for more airdrop opportunities. And before I forget, you're always free to swap that DYM token back to any other type of token. You're free to swap back to Atom or even USDC, or even some of the supported exchanges such as Crypto.com or Binance support native DYM transfers. So there's two methods of staking. You can stake directly on the website at portal.dymension.xyz, and you would go to the staking tab. So under the staking tab, you would look for a validator to stake with. So I do recommend avoiding the top 10, even the top 20 validators. You want to keep the network decentralized. And in terms of commission rate, you want to look for something less than 10%. So if we keep scrolling lower, here's a cool one I do like, Stake Ceto. So we're going to hover over to stake, click on stake. So it does display a warning message that staking locks up your token for up to 21 days. So if you're okay with that, you would hit max here. This would pre-populate your available balance on your wallet, and then you would hit stake. Once that's approved in your wallet, your new staked amount would populate up here. Now to increase your chances for the airdrop, I would recommend using the IBC bridge. So here you can bridge from the source chain Dymension into another chain such as Ethereum, and you can even port to compatible rollups. And rollups are apps built on top of Dymension. So definitely interact with this to increase your airdrop chances. So the second way to stake Dymension is actually directly in your Kepler wallet. So on your wallet, you would go to the manage portfolio in the Kepler dashboard, and once you're here, you would hover over to the stake tab on the left, and here you can select your compatible chain. So I want to stake Dymension. Let's click on here. The APR is currently 35%, which is great. And same idea, we want to avoid the top 20 validators. So we keep scrolling lower, we find one of our favorite validators, Stake Ceto. Click on this, click on stake. Amount to stake, we're gonna hit max and hit stake. Approve in your wallet. Great, that was approved. And if you hover over to staking here, we do see our new staking amount. And if you want to claim your staking rewards, they would be up here under the claim button. Cool. And one more thing I would recommend you do to increase your airdrop chances is vote on governance proposals. Click on the active proposals tab here. So here we'll have all the different proposals for the various blockchains under the Cosmos ecosystem. So we scroll lower, there is an active proposal for the Dymension network. We'll click inside here. This looks like a configuration change to increase the amount of transactions per second on the network. You can see 99% had voted yes. I'm gonna vote the same. So here I'll go ahead and click on vote, click on yes, and confirm approving your wallet. Great, that was approved. Definitely check back weekly on the active proposals section to view any upcoming proposals. The developers want to see you be an active participant in the network. So I'm definitely bullish on what Dymension is working on and believe the price will only continue climbing higher from here. You want to put yourself in a position to be eligible for more airdrops, specifically more roll apps that are built on top of Dymension. The time to stake is now. And don't forget to check out my other airdrop tutorials on YouTube. There's tons of free alpha there. And definitely stay up to date with everything Dymension related at their official X page at Dymension. So happy farming. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.